Welcome back to another episode of Freestyle Friday. My name is Real Dale. I am a boom bap rapper and producer, and I've been working on trying to improve my freestyle, and I feel like I've made progress. I'm just not making a lot of progress, but it's okay. I just got out of work. I had a very crappy day at work. I was like, I spent the first 2 hours at work today saying, don't quit, don't quit, don't quit, don't quit, don't quit. Got through it, still a crappy day. It's time to decompress.
This is what I like to call finding a sample. Finding a sample that speaks to you is not the easiest thing to do, especially when you're tired and you have so much on your mind. So it feels like homework, but when you find the perfect sample and it speaks to you, it's just out of this world.
Always 89 BPM because that was the year I was born. It's always going to be 89 BPM. Unless I'm feeling something else. But most of the time, my starting point is always 89 BPM. I miss my mouse. Mickey Mouse? I miss my mouse. But I fucked up my mouse pad and I haven't bought one. I'm a mess right now. I'm such a mess right now. And I haven't been as much of a mess since I was like, I want to say probably like 28, 29. I'm not proud of where I'm at right now, but we always got to keep it moving. So you already know the deal. You just made the beat. This is what it sounds like. And now we're gonna drop 16 bars. That's it. That's all we're gonna do. So as far as topics go, do a little catch up. We'll talk about this week, everything that's happened this week, and we'll take it from there. Freestyle Friday, real. What's up? Nice to meet you. My name is Real. I'm hungry. I could take a happy meal. Finally, it's Friday because I couldn't take no more. You think that you know me, but you just walked in the door. You say that you know me, you can read me like a book. Motherfucker, you just fucking shook. And haters love to hate. Haters love to hate. Just contemplate. The only thing on the mind is me and what I do. Buddy, don't punch me. Do what you do. You paid attention, listen to me, and paid attention. Oh, that was bad. That was bad. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not happy with the beat. I don't know why it sounds so choppy. Because it's literally a 4-bar loop. So if it's a 4-bar loop, it just should sound the same every single time. But I don't know what it is that I did or what I'm doing wrong, what I'm not seeing, I can't fix. But it just feels like literally it's a 4-bar loop, and once the 4 bars hit, it stops and then it starts all over again, and it just doesn't sound, it's not flowing nice. It's not, I'm so frustrated, you know? Had it here to these flies every single day and every single night. Motherfuckers find out how me leave my house, go to work. Motherfuckers go to fucking church. There's gotta be somewhere you can annoy, someone else you can put, someone else you can deploy. Cause there's gotta be enough, and it's never enough. Every single day I feel stuck in the same spot, and the feeling just don't stop. Sometimes I feel worthy of things I've accomplished, and sometimes I feel like there's more to get finished, like still I'm not finished, but my life's been diminished. Sometimes I feel like I can't keep going on anymore, and sometimes I just start over. That was not better. Just not in the. I'm not. It's not coming to me today. It's not that it's not coming to me today. I don't know. I don't know. This is the last one. Let's see if I can come up with something better. Real Freestyle Friday. One more day, one more night. Alright, in the middle of July, halfway through the year. How much have I accomplished this year? How much have I noticed? How much have I feared? Cause it seems like I'm frozen in spot once again. Seems like I'm alone and I got no friends. Seems like I'm stuck in the same place again. Interruption. That just ruined the flow. Alright, y'all, that's all I got for today. Today wasn't the best, I'm not gonna deny. And most of the time when I'm not feeling the content, I won't post it because you guys do deserve quality content. But at the end of the day, this is my life. And this is what I'm going through this week. And this week was a lot better than last week. I'm not going to deny. But, you know, as far as like the creative flow going, I just couldn't. I don't think I had enough theme or I had enough words. Because I'm trying to I'm scrambling through my brain trying to figure out the next thing to say. But I was like, you know. I think moving forward, just for the sake of practicing the craft and getting better, I think I'm going to start actually having themes or maybe just like battle partners, you know? I don't think I'm gonna bring anyone in here anytime soon. But I think most definitely, I think absolutely what I'm gonna do is I'll probably be like, oh, this is me if I was like battling Eminem and 8 Mile. Or this is me if I was battling like Mickey Mouse, you know? So that's all I got for today. Let me know what you think of the freestyles, please. I'm done with Suffocate. I just have to finish recording the final mix and send it to distro so it can be released so y'all can listen to it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Like always, please don't sleep on me. I love y'all. Peace.